guys, today we're on Poniente Beach. It's a beautiful, gorgeous, warm day. Some palm trees. And of course, got the lovely swans. Probably be able to see them better from the other side of the road, so we'll see if we can cross over. Better. Seeing better from this side. Another hotel beside in there. Please make sure that you hit the like, hit share and hit subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you always get notified of when I upload more great videos. Thanks for watching guys, and I will see you on the next video.